being entrepreneurial broke is not the same thing as just being broke, I could relate to it. Because hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adesha. This is Hair Diaries. So in today's video, while I go to school, I'm gonna be talking about my life. I moved to a new state. I started cosmetology school. I just want to talk about like rebuilding and starting over essentially. So hopefully I could record this video while driving. So if y'all see me looking straight, that's obviously because I'm paying attention to the road. But yes, let's get into this video. So as some of you guys may or may not know, I used to live in the US Virgin Islands, St. Thomas specifically. I recently moved to Florida in June to go to cosmetology school. So back home in the Virgin Islands, I have my braiding license. I don't have my cosmetology license. Oh, sorry, I was trying to take a quick thumbnail because the lighting was good. And I want to upload this video because, you know, but anyways. So I literally just moved to Florida like about 3 months ago to get my cosmetology license. So I currently attend Paul Mitchell, this school. So Paul Mitchell is a well-known, respected beauty brand, but also cosmetology school. It is one of the branded cosmetology schools there is. There have others like Aveda and I think Empire, but Paul Mitchell is like worldwide. But anyways, so I literally moved. So now I'm in a new state and I'm literally starting over from scratch, rebuilding my clientele, putting myself out there, my brand out there, because back home it was different. In the Virgin Islands, you don't have to do too much to get clients. You literally could post on Facebook and you could get people. And not only that too, once people know that you're braiding, you're gonna get people. Like, it's a small island, so it's not hard to build that type of notoriety where people know you and you could get clients. And once you good, people can come to you for sure. Like, that's a given. You don't have to worry about that. But up here, it's just so much people, and that could be a good thing. People would say that there's more competition, but I don't really feel like there's more competition. I just feel that you got to put yourself out there more, because I live in Florida. I live in like the Orlando area, not necessarily Orange County, Orlando, but like Seminole County, Orlando. So Seminole County do not have a lot of braiders. But the thing is, when people have been finding me, they're like, oh my gosh, like, I'm so happy I found somebody in Seminole County. So I don't feel that me not getting clients is a result of there having so much other braiders that people don't need to get it here braided by me. I just feel that people don't know about me yet, you know? So right now I'm at a stage where it's like I'm rebranding, I'm rebuilding, and I'm starting from scratch, and I'm okay with it. You know how people would say being entrepreneurial broke is not the same thing as just being broke? I could relate to it, because currently right now I feel like a broke college student, okay? And my college is done pass, but it's like when you're on a path for greatness, or you're on a path where you're going to be doing something bigger, you gotta see past your current situation and your current circumstances. That's like the same thing, but no, seriously, you have to look past your current circumstances. Like, if you cannot look past your current circumstances, you will not get to that bigger goal. So currently it's like I'm trying to get clients, work, make money. I have a car, like I got a new car, pay for my car, pay for school, you know, just do so much different stuff. And I have moments where I do feel like, damn, like, what am I gonna do? Like, I might come up short on this, or I might come up short on that. But then somehow things seem to work out. Oh, I have this cute little crosswalk. That is super cute. I'm on a school zone road right now. So there was a little, anyways. But I feel like when it comes to being an entrepreneur, these are the paths these are one of the paths that you may experience. Some people may experience it, some people may not, but most times when you are self-funded and you have to do everything yourself, you're gonna experience paths where you don't have nothing. You literally at zero. And when you at zero, you gotta learn how to make something shake. Okay, the canister don't have no money in it, so you gotta figure out how to make money and make it shake. So that's literally where I'm at right now. But I'm not at it. I just want to let everybody know that I'm okay with where I'm at. I'm okay with this stage in my life because I know, okay, I know that it's gonna be big, it's gonna be great, it's gonna be amazing. I know all of the great things I want to accomplish. I just don't know how it's gonna happen or when it's gonna happen, you know, but I know for a fact that it's gonna work out. And with my entire move, I was stressed about a lot of things, and a lot of things worked out in my favor or worked out better than I could imagine or worked out better than I even could plan. So I just have to remind myself sometimes when I'm stressing to just relax, breathe, let go. Like, if you can't do nothing about it, you stressing about it is not going to help you get to where you need to go, because you can't do anything about it regardless. You don't know what to do. So you stressing or worrying about the fact that you don't know what to do is not even helping you. Like, one of my clients told me, worrying is like sitting in a rocking chair. You go nowhere. And it's true. So I try to just have a lot more, like, I try to just breathe and relax and just allow myself to see opportunity, or allow myself to see how things can work out, instead of worrying and thinking about the negative, if that makes sense. So we'll see how this goes. I go to school full time Tuesday through Saturday. I work after school. I am currently thinking about getting a job, a part-time job, if clients don't start picking up. But I feel like every time I try to get a job, I always end up getting like a surplus of clients. So I don't know, we'll see, guys. This is my hair channel, this is Hair Diaries. Like, I want to be able to come on here and tell you guys about this, my hair journey, because there are people who are following me that may want to go to school, but they may not know how they're gonna pay for school. Hold on, y'all. Sorry, y'all. Somebody called. Most times when people call, I always answer because it could possibly be a client, but it was not a client. It was Walmart notifying me that someone's buying a PlayStation from my Walmart account, and that's probably my best friend. But besides that, when I came off the phone to check to see, like, when I came off the besides that, when I came off, I literally just got a message from somebody asking me to braid their son's hair. So yay, I literally just came from telling you guys, like, every time I feel like I need to apply for a job, I always get clients, and look, somebody texted me. So I'm really excited to see my journey and my growth. Like, I have a lot of faith in myself that everything is gonna work out. Like, when I say I have a lot of faith, I have a lot of faith. I just don't know how things are gonna work out. I know that they will. I know that I have great things coming to me. I have great people in my life, by the way, who love and support me, who help me out, like, you know. And of course, we feel like we have moments where we feel other people could be doing more, but I also want us to realize that sometimes people are doing the best they can at the level and capacity that they know how to. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes we feel like our parents could be more involved, but sometimes they don't know how to. Or you feel like, oh, your parents should be giving you more money, but sometimes they don't even have money themselves to give. You know what I'm saying? But so far on this journey of me moving away and starting over, every time that I've asked my family members for money, they've been there to help and support me. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for that. And my friends and family, like, they share my videos, you know, they encourage me. So like I say, I'm just at a stage of starting over. And starting over could be uncomfortable because you have to be okay with going through this stage of, like, stillness. You know, you have to be okay with just riding this little wave of just, like, nothing is working out. You feel like You don't know when it's going to rain, and you don't know when you're going to get that water to help water your plants. Because when you get the water to water your plants, your crops going to grow, and when your crops grow, you'll be able to sell them and make money. So it's like you have to keep planting. You have to just keep still doing those stuff every day, even though you do not know when or how it's gonna work out. So that's literally what I'm doing. Like, I'm literally just still planting the seeds every day. I'm making my TikTok videos, I'm making my YouTube video, even me, you know, making this YouTube video. Even me making this YouTube video is like me planting seeds, because I love talking to people. I love inspiring and encouraging other people, because I just feel like, if I could do it, you could do it too. There's nothing different about me than you. The only thing different is the way that we see ourselves. I see myself as being someone that could accomplish these goals. Sometimes other people don't see themselves as someone that can accomplish the goals. But you could change the way you see yourself, if you get what I'm saying. You don't have to accept any circumstance or condition that you're in. You could always see yourself as more. So I just want to encourage y'all to keep going. If you are a service provider, whether you're a nail tech, a hairstylist, a tattoo artist, or whatever your profession may be, you could be doing something else that may not be related to the beauty industry. Keep going. You're going to get the success that you want, that you seek so bad. You just don't know when it's going to happen. We don't know when it's going to happen, but once we keep the faith that it is going to happen, it will. And I think that's all I have to say for this morning. I'm gonna see if I could edit this video and post. If you guys have any questions about school or anything like that, please comment down below. I'm probably going to make a separate video about my cosmetology journey thus far and the things that I've learned. Can you guys see my stuff in the car? But I'm probably gonna make a separate video talking about my journey of school, things I've learned so far, because I'm on the floor taking clients and things like that. But for now, I just wanted to come in and check in and let you guys know that, hey, I moved, I'm doing something new, I'm doing something different. Like, yeah, this is what's going on in Adesha's life, and this is the one-on-one of Hair Diaries. But anyways, guys, I'm about to get on the highway and I need to focus. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video, if you watched it to the end, and see you in my next video. Ciao.